Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Second Chance Overland. I am Mike, and I am back in the shop for another project today. Now, if you've been following my videos and you've watched the American Invention Lab mass storage system install on the 392, and you stayed till the end, you got a little glimpse of what was going to be coming new to Second Chance Overland. This right here is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon, formerly owned by American Invention Lab. That's right, formerly. It is now mine, and it's a part of the Second Chance Overland family. So today, it's time to go through a little bit of a transition on this. And we're going to start by removing the wrap.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
All right, so we got the old wrap off of the JL, and definitely discovered some secrets here hidden underneath the wrap, which some of that is to be expected. So yeah, the wrap is off. You can see I've torn a lot of stuff off of this Jeep. Also have some pretty substantial pinstripes here on the vehicle. So we're gonna need to take some time to buff this out the best we can. Bunch more down here. Look at that, man. It is going to be a lot of work to get it cleaned up to my standards. So quick little test section, looking good. A lot more to do though. Got the entire car. This is going to take a lot of time. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, remember to hit that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell notification so you'll be notified when new videos come out. But let's keep plugging away on this here Jeep. Alright, so the Jeep's all polished out, torn apart still, so that it's ready for the new partial wrap. So taking it in tomorrow to Pure Blind, have that done. Really looking forward to that, getting excited for that. So yeah, part one of the transformation, moving along, and we'll see how they do tomorrow.